Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Piyush Goyal and today we are exploring the local deployment mode technique and we will also perform one hands-on exercise. So let's begin our journey. All right, let's break down the local mode deployment process. We will go step by step through what happens behind the scene. You guys might be wondering why local deployment mode is so important. Well, by setting up an environment locally, we can mimic the production environment right in our system. There is no need for complex setup or relying on any external system. It is just you, your code, and your machine. First, you will upload the EAR file to the domain. This action makes the file available to all the app spaces within that domain. Next, we will deploy the EAR file to the specific app space. Once deployed, the EAR file will transform into an application and becomes accessible to all the app nodes within that particular app space. Then we will start the app node. This kicks off the creation of Java Virtual Machine JVMs on the app node, setting the stage for running the application. Finally, we will execute the application in the app node JVM. This is where your application comes to life, running and performing its task within the JVM. And just like that, our application is up and running in the local mode deployment environment, ready for testing and debugging. So now let's move to an hands-on session where we will go through each and every step together. So let's start by opening the terminal and launch the BW console by writing the command BW admin. We will set our execution mode to local. This ensures that our command operate directly on our local file system. Next, we will create the domain D2 by writing the following command. Within domain, we will create an app space by writing the following command. Our app space AS2 is created in domain D2. Now we will set up an app node within our app space AS2 to host our application. We will have to specify the port for our app node. So as you can see, I have given the port as 1995 for my app node AN2. Now let's start the app node. So you will get this pop-up. So you have to give a access so that our app node can start. So I will click on this option, allow access. Now view the status of the app node. So I will write command show -d d2 -a as2 app nodes. So as you can see, our app node AN2 is running on port 9095. Now let's upload our application archive into the domain D2. I will write the following command. So our EAR file got uploaded to the domain D2. And now let's check our archive file. So I will write the following command for that. Now let's deploy our archive file. So this command will deploy our archive to app space AS2. Now let's view all the applications within AS2. So for that, I will write this command. Show -d d2-a as2 applications. So as you can see, our REST service application is deployed. Its version is 1.0, and you can see its deployment status is deployed, but it is actually in stopped state. So next, what we will do, we will start this application. So for that, I will write the following command. So as you can see in the message, like application is in starting state. So to check the status of this application again, we can, just write the command which we have used earlier. So as you can see, it is showing the status as running. And let's open the browser and see, whether it is working or not.